In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the price of a product on Gumroad. If you're an online creator or entrepreneur using Gumroad to sell your digital products, you might find yourself needing to adjust your pricing from time to time. Whether it's for a sale, a promotion, or simply a decision to change your pricing strategy, editing the price is a straightforward process. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to navigate to the Gumroad website. Open your preferred browser and type in gumroad.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the login button. This will take you to the sign in page where you can access your account. Now, you might see a few different options for logging in. If you've previously linked your Google account to Gumroad, simply click on the Google option and select the account you use for Gumroad. This will ensure a quick and seamless login experience, saving you time. After logging in, you will be directed to your Gumroad dashboard. Here on the left hand side, you'll see various options. Click on Products. This is where all your listed items for sale are displayed. Clicking on this menu item will bring up a list of your current products. Next, browse through your list of products and select the one whose price you wish to edit. By clicking on the product name, you'll be taken to that product's main page. Here, you can view existing details and editing options that are available. Once you're on the product page, scroll down a bit until you see the pricing section. This is where you can make your changes. You'll notice a field where you can input the new price you have in mind, enter the desired amount, ensuring it's reflective of any changes in strategy or market conditions. When you've adjusted the price to your liking, look for the Save and Continue button. It's important to click this button in order to save all the changes you've made. This ensures that the updated price is now live and customers will see the new amount when they purchase your product. And that's it. You've successfully changed the pricing of one of your products on Gumroad. Remember, keeping your pricing strategy flexible and responsive to your audience's needs is essential in maximizing your sales and reaching your business goals. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to make future adjustments. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in aiding you to navigate Gumroad more effectively. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that help simplify your online business journey.